Do you want to know the real reason why Nvidia shares are up? Nvidia went up 15% on the 23rd of February, the day after their earnings report. It looks like the company is doing alright and has some great plans for the future. What was special in the report that made investors so enthusiastic? The semiconductor company's stock is still 30% down from its all-time high in late 2021. This may be an opportunity for investors to buy at a lower price. Quarterly revenue was 21% down from a year ago and 2% up from the previous quarter. Annual revenue was almost the same as a year ago. Earnings per share for the fourth quarter were 52% down from a year ago and over 100% up from the previous quarter. So in simple words, here's what's important. It makes sense that the year-over-year results are down because the whole tech sector and the semiconductor industry have suffered recently. Chip makers face several challenges: inflation, weaker global growth, the war in Ukraine, and tense relations between the US and China. Nvidia also struggled in 2022 due to the decline in gaming and cryptocurrency mining, which are the company's core industries. However, in the past quarter we can see a reversal of the declining trend as the revenue stayed the same and earnings increased, so the company became more profitable. The report forecasts future growth this year and the next. In simple words, Nvidia has jumped from the bottom and is hoping to continue this trend. Here are two reasons why Nvidia is worth considering as a future investment. Nvidia holds a market share of 91% in the GPU industry, which has massive barriers to entry, so it's well positioned to benefit when industry conditions improve. Additionally, the company can pivot to opportunities in AI, which is expected to power the next phase of growth. Nvidia has a significant presence in the AI market, controlling 80% of the AI processor market share, and is working with 10,000 AI startups worldwide. CEO Jensen Huang said in the earnings call that gaming is recovering and that Nvidia has great potential for data center growth. This is because of the rise of large language models used to train AI systems like ChatGPT and Bing, which rely on Nvidia's GPU hardware. So further adoption of AI technology can increase the demand for Nvidia's products, and there are more global companies who seek to partner with Nvidia, such as Microsoft and Mercedes. Nvidia is working with Mercedes to bring artificial intelligence and metaverse technologies into the design and development process for their cars. The companies are working on software-defined vehicles with AI automated driving and are looking to make the manufacturing process more efficient and intelligent. While Nvidia's PE ratio is much higher than average, its premium may be justified considering its economic moat in the GPU market and the potential for growth in gaming, cryptocurrency mining, and AI applications. So the fact that Nvidia is still trading 30% down from its all-time highs offers investors a promising opportunity to invest in a company with significant long-term potential. This is not investment advice, but this is a stock many are looking at. Even though many people do it, picking individual stocks may not be the best option for most beginners, especially if you don't have an overall plan. So subscribe to our channel to find out more about how to invest in a smart way. Let us know what you think about Nvidia in the comments. All the best and see you soon.